Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I'm feeling fast and loose, except for I don't have my glasses on, and that's my leftovers. And this is some hot orchid that keeps getting so heavy that I keep adding some more Floetrol mixture to it, which is not correct. But I think I'm going to just give myself some Puddles. Oh, that's the Amsterdam Black. That is not what I intended. Okay. The Meeden black is a better black for covering canvases. So let's do a little Meeden black and a little Meeden white. And what else? Let's just, this is a cobalt blue that's metallic from Artist Loft, and it's actually very turquoise. I have some Deckward Americana 24 karat gold. I may or may not swipe. I'm definitely going to use colors I like. I'd probably be very well off if I remembered to use the colors I need to use up, which are looking kind of gloppy right about now. I was kind of hoping that the rest of the colors would freshen them up some, but it's looking a little bit risky. That's okay. I love taking the risk. I honestly do. And then throwing my little container right into the bucket. Super glop. I have an alternative gold, which is golden iridescent gold fine, which is slightly different if you look. I'm putting colors I like in. I'd like that to drain down and use the rest of it. You know what? I'm just gonna help it right out. We get what we get. Probably going to put some more black down, now that it's not the Amsterdam. Do I want any other colors in there? I have some electric blue. I kind of like that. I was being called to orange before I so rudely interrupted myself. Kind of hoping that the plug came out of the top. Yay! And the other color that I like that's weird is the color shifting red from Folk Art. And I have some purple too. That purple I mixed myself, so I can't tell you what it is. But it must be time to grab an edge catcher. I hope there isn't anything too precious on either side, because it's going to be... And I see that I better grab a pair of tweezers if I've got one. Grab that. If I don't grab that, I'll be unhappy later, because that was just too gloppy. I like to let the paint get as close as I can to the edges. I really wish I knew what... They're my tweezers, yay. So we're all set now, because I was panicking because my tweezers weren't available. In the end, I'll need them to retrieve anything weird that's too lumpy to be tolerated. I do just love the accidental art aspect of grabbing colors I love, letting them fall down onto an edge catcher, rocking the edge, then throwing them all back in again. This might be over really quickly. I might really want to take that out of there, which is preventing something from... Whatever you are, you need to go away. You can always look at these sideways, by the way, too. I should probably torch. It's very... My tweezers have dog hair stuck to them. They're very disconcerting right now. I found you, you large lump of... You know what I was going to say. I know you know. I kind of want to put some white metallic from Anita's in there. I like changing the entire trajectory of things. Oh, that's beautiful. That's going to be tremendous, I'm pretty sure. And whatever I have left on my edge catcher, I can just put in the gaps. So rather than ruin the design I'm enjoying so much, I'm going to grab a spatula and try not to do that again. That being drip right over. I might want to... Wow, I got pretty colors on my edge catcher. It's actually prettier than it was when it started. There, I don't mind my corners. I think I'm going to have to let my edge catcher stay with its paint on it. I want to pour some off, or at least move it back a little. I might tip this more than once. Bring that paint right down to the edge. Oh, this is just gorgeous. I'm loving this. I have more need of some more paint, but I am pretty well done. It's time to torch. I'll show that to you from the direction I like it. I'm loving that. That's cool. All right. I'm pretty sure that hot orchid container is not recyclable anymore. Do I? I was going to stick my skewer in someplace and make an adjustment on that point. Am I? It's so hard to make up my mind. Just make a minor adjustment. A couple few. I hope none of that super glop is going to become an issue. So I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I'm going to be really happy that I have GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures to keep the heavy paint from cracking when it dries. I torched to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I really appreciate you guys cheering me up and keeping my morale boosted with your wonderful comments. Thank you so much. Your donations help keep me painting. I really appreciate that too. I see something that's bugging me. Yeah, as soon as I get the straw in my mouth, I take liberties. This paint is really heavy. Take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Please give me a thumbs up. Make sure to share my videos if you're of a mind, and know that if you watch longer, you help my standing on YouTube. My channel is having a hard time surviving again at the moment, but I hope that'll change at some point in time in the future. This has got some really great little cells and lots of fabulous colors, so I'm just going to be satisfied. If I dumped it all off, I could probably get some really big colors, but big colors, yeah, big cells. In the meantime, this is fini. Check my Legallerist. The top blue link on the link tree underneath the video, that's directly the first blue link under the video. Oh, look at that. I'll try and zoom in. Good colors. I like those colors. You know that anyway. So, if you're interested in helping support the studio, you might want to know that there's a monthly drawing and that you can see the prizes for the monthly drawing on the exhibition video that I include at the end of every video in the last 20 seconds on the end screens. And at the beginning of that exhibition video, that's where you'll find the prizes. If you want to be in the monthly drawing, PayPal and Patreon icons are on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, and also on the link tree are the links. If you make a donation, you're automatically entered. Also on the link tree, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, where I post tomorrow's video a lot of nights, along with the community board on my YouTube channel. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More is a place to find a Shop Now button that'll take you to fineartamericanpixels.com. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors has albums of older YouTube artworks. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. My Amazon link is on the link tree, and if you shop there, it's at no extra cost to you. And my 2 books are there because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities. And any shopping you do helps me out, and that includes the spring clothing underneath the video. All over print leggings and all over print t-shirts are there. If you want my email address, it is below Show More under the link tree, and you can contact me there in regard to purchasing an artwork or inquiring about a class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. Both of those things help me produce videos for you. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you guys. I post 7 days a week, and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night at 10 p.m. My 2,000 videos are separated by topic and genre, and by the 100 on lists. If I've forgotten something, you'll see it in another video if you're still even here. I love you guys dearly. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, I'll see you anon.